Hello viewers, this is Tech Related channel. You can find your all essential video in here. Please subscribe us and press a like. Thank you. Welcome back again. As today I am showing you how to take satellite image from a app. A small app gives you a satellite image of any location. First of all, go to the search button and search GWGT Google Earth EARTH Earth. As a software only 13 MB megabyte and has the 4.4 review, 2 million reviews. Such a good software. Here is the option. Here is the option you can find a location. First of all, I am to install it. As a click Google LLC, you can see which software Google launched. Snapchat, Google Translator, YouTube Kids, all of the softwares from Google Authority. Google Find My Device, Google Meet, Files by Google Gallery, Google Meet, Google Sheets, Google Drive. Google has all so much software from Google. Okay, installing done. Or click open button. Software was launched. Awesome software for such image. Okay, hello, sorry. Okay, here's my location. Here is my location and is showing the image from satellite. Awesome. Here's the building which I live. Here's the road which I walk out. Okay. Here is the road which I walk out. Click on there and showing the road, all of the road, like a awesome film. You can view in 3D. Satellite and convert to 2D. Here is the compressor. Give the destination. Here you can see all of the image fully clear, all of the building fully clear. You can search any of your, if you want to search anything, you can search here. There's the search button and now write suppose Rahman Baria. Here I search it. It gives you the location Rahman Baria. Okay, this give you the so much HD picture. Awesome Brahman Baria. Here's my village, Kasite is my village. Set pressure, set Darbar Sharif. Here you can see all of the route And this software is awesome and give you the full HD feel. Okay, thanks for watching and bye bye.